Hi everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk and welcome to my Sale-A-Bration Sunday series, and this is project number 3. Okay, and what we're going to make today is a card. It's hopefully won't be too long of a video. So what we are going to use from Sale-A-Bration is Heartfelt Blooms. This is gorgeous, this it really is, and we're going to use the image here. And then from Amazing You, we are just going to use the U, okay? And we are using the large letter framelits. Now I know they aren't Sale-A-Bration, but I really wanted to use these on my project as well, so these are fantastic. From these I'm going to be using the L, O, V and E because we're going to cut out love, and it's going to be an Eclipse card. So I've got thick Whisper White for the card base, which is 11 3/4 by, oh god, what is it, 4 1/4? Yeah, by 4 1/4, and it's scored at 5 7/8. So that is going to be the card base. Alright, then I've got a piece of Real Red, which is 4 1/8 by 5 3/4. That is going to go on to here. Then I have got a piece of Whisper White, which is 4 by 5 5/8, and this is where we are going to do all the stamping and stuff and cutting out, and this is just going to be sitting on the top of like our card like this, and then the same size, and this will be for the inside. So I'm going to take this and my stamping mat. No, I'm not, because it's not photopolymer. I've got the stamp mounted here, so it's quite a large stamp as well. And I've got some Real Red ink. Okay. And I'm just going to stamp this image on the front of the card. So I'm just going to ink it up. Now give it a good ink, because I don't want it to be sparse and miss bits, so because it's, like I say, it's quite a large stamp. And I'm going to test it just to see. Okay, so I'm going to pop one just up here. Gorgeous, isn't that just so pretty? This is a good Valentine's card, I think, because it's Valentine's Day in a few days now, so I think it would be great for that. I am also going to pop one just here. Let's give that a good press down, make sure it's all covered. Gorgeous. And then I'm going to pop one just here. might pop a couple. I don't know if I should actually. Yeah, I'm going to pop just a little bit of the stamp there. And then just a little bit here, I think. Alright, so that is that, and I think that looks absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to grab the Big Shot, and I've got my magnetic plate on here. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to lay my card front down on here, and I am going to take the letters that I need. We need E, we need L, O, and we need V. So I am going to cut out love, so I'm going to just lay them down. Because I want to get them as straight as I can. Okay, now I think that actually looks okay. Yeah, I think I'm quite happy with that. So I am going to run this through. There we go, we've got our gorgeous cutouts there. So we need to keep, obviously, all of our letters, don't throw them away. So I'm just going to take them off there. And then we'll get this out of the way. Okay, so let's take our card here. Now, as I said, our real red is going to go on here. So I think I'm going to use some Tombow for that. And if you don't follow my blog, I posted on there the other day that, well, I don't even know if I've told you about this yet. I'm sure I haven't, but anyway, I'm going to be doing a new series. It won't be a really long series, but it's going to be starting tomorrow, and it's going to be every Monday, and it's going to be called Remake It Monday. And I've decided to do it because when I changed my blog and stuff over and changed my name from Anne's Happy Stampers, there's obviously some projects that I didn't transfer, I've missed, and I get a lot of people, in particular, there's a few projects in particular that I keep getting people, you know, wanting to make it, but they can't find the blog post, they can't find the measurements. So I'm going to remake the stuff, obviously in current papers and embellishments, whatever, and I just think it'll be nice because people can then get all the measurements, and I think it makes stuff look quite different when it's remade in different papers and stuff. So starting from tomorrow, you'll still be getting the Wednesday, Friday and Sunday video. So for the next few weeks, you're going to be getting 4 tutorials a week. So I know a lot of you will be really happy about that. So there's that stuck on, and then we also need to stick this down. Again, I'm just going to use some Tombow. Okay. Oops, not upside down. So there should be just a nice little gap all the way around where you can see the red card peeping through. Gorgeous, I think that looks absolutely beautiful. Glue on there on the back anyway. Yeah, that looks gorgeous. It even looks nice just like that, really. So the little piece from the O, because when we're obviously going to stick this over here on foam tape, we need to stick this bit down in here. So I'm just going to pop that in there for now. I think I've got that the wrong way around. Yeah, it goes in like that. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of Tombow, and I'm just going to glue this little middle piece in. Okay. And just take that away. Gorgeous. So what's left to do is our little letters. We need to pop some foam tape on the back, or dimensionals. You can use the mini dimensionals, they're really good. I might try and use some of my roll of foam tape that I have. I love this stuff because I think it will fit quite a lot of it. So I'm going to stick all this on because you don't want to see me sticking tape on all of that. And I will be back when it's done. Alright, I've stuck all of the foam tape and I've used a couple of little mini dimensionals as well. So we are going to get this stuck in. So we'll just peel the little back ends off. And stick this into the positions. Gorgeous. Must be that way. Yeah, it is. Okay, we've got the last one. It doesn't matter, it just looks so pretty. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love that. So I've got some little of the enamel shapes, and I'm just going to use, I'm going to pop a little, oops, I don't know whether I could put that in the middle there, couldn't I? No, I think I'm going to put a little heart, and then if I can get a hold of it, a little star. I love that, so pretty. And then we just need to quickly do the inside. So we've got our piece of Whisper White. We've got Real Red again and the U. Okay, and I'm just going to stamp this roughly in the middle of the inside of the card, like that. And I'm just going to round the corners and just take a bit of fast fuse. Oh yeah, found out that fast fuse is going to be retiring, so it will not be coming back. It will not be in the new annual catalogue, and they're not going to be, Stampin' Up! And not going to be replacing any of their stock levels. So basically it's going quick, so I don't think it'll last very longer. So if you want it, get it now, because it's already sold out in America and people are already starting to stock up on it here. So if you want it, get it now, because once it's gone forever, because it isn't coming back, unfortunately, but that's the way it is. So there we go. I hope you like it. I hope it's given you some more ideas what you can use your Sale-A-Bration items for. Beautiful card. So yeah, and I'll be back tomorrow for the new series of Remake It Monday. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.